Hello friends, welcome back to another video in this channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to loop multiple videos at once through VLC media player. Sometime you are in the conference room or somewhere in the meeting room and you want to make sure your video get played every time without getting stopped. In that case you have to make sure the video get looped. So today in this video I'll show you that how to do that. So first let's go to the VLC media player. Then once you open it, go to the media, then click on open multiple files, then click on add. Then these are the three videos I have right now in the laptop, and I want to make sure these three videos get played every time without getting stopped. So select all the three videos from your laptop, then click on play. So here the three videos has come through in the VLC media player, and right down in the bottom there is a arrow to arrow. So normally the arrow will be like this. So you have to click one time to make sure the loop is enabled. So now the loop is enabled. So whenever you go at the end of the video get continuously played. I have three videos, so one video was just finished, second video and third video, and the video get continuously looped now without getting stopped. So the video will never finish now. And if you click one more time, there is a one symbol here. That means only this video get played every time without going to the end of the video. Now this only one video will get played every time. So this is the meaning of this one. But I have three videos, only one video will get played every time. So to remove that, just click one more time again and the loop is gone. And to make sure the loop is enabled, just click one more time. So there is a three click here. One click is to enable the loop, one click is to loop only one video, and one click is to disable the loop. I hope by looking this video you know how to do loop in multiple videos in the laptop through VLC media player. If you have any issue or doubt, please let me know in the comment section. I will get back to you. Thank you. I'll see you in another video. Bye.